Hey students! Feeling overwhelmed with assignments, exams, and never-ending notes? What if I told you AI could save you hours of studying while making you more productive? Stick around, because I'm revealing the top 5 AI tools that will boost your grades and make studying 10x easier. Let's go! First up, we have Notion AI. This tool summarizes your notes, organizes your study plans, and even helps generate to-do lists, all with AI. Imagine having a personal assistant that keeps your studies on track. No more messy notebooks. Next, let's talk about Quizlet AI. This tool automatically creates flashcards from your notes and even generates practice quizzes based on what you need to study. Cramming for an exam? Let AI test you before your teacher does. Writing essays? Grammarly AI is your secret weapon. It not only fixes grammar mistakes but also suggests better words, improves clarity, and checks for plagiarism. Perfect for essays, reports, and even emails to your professors. No more embarrassing typos. Struggling to find sources for your research paper? Elicit AI summarizes academic papers, finds relevant studies, and saves you hours of reading. Just type your topic, and boom, instant research insights. And finally, meet Socratic AI, your personal tutor. Simply take a picture of a question, and this AI explains step-by-step solutions in an easy-to-understand way. Whether it's math, science, or history, this tool has your back. And there you have it, 5 AI tools that will make studying smarter, not harder. Which one will you try first? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick wisdom. See you in the next one.